Hey guys, how you doing? Right here again. If you'd like to subscribe, it's Nitro Kyosho. One of my subscribers had asked me about what to have on hand when building a helicopter or when maintaining one even. These are just some of the essentials that I like to have on hand, and let's go through them. This is just going to be a pretty quick video, guys. This is a digital dial caliper. Okay, this is going to read in inches and millimeters. Everything with these helicopters is in millimeters, like the Nitro cars. Everything from overseas there is in millimeters. You can pick these up relatively cheap. They come with an instruction manual to show you how to use it. You can get them under $30. They come with a spare battery and a little screwdriver and a nice instruction manual. And if you've never even used one of these, I use them at work, so I know how to use them. But if you didn't use one before, you would learn how to use it in about a couple of minutes. You know, just your basic small little screwdrivers here. You know, Phillips heads. These are good to have. These are made by Dubro. I've got a 2mm one here and a 1.5mm. These are the Allen, basically an Allen driver, an Allen on a screwdriver end here, which makes it easy to work. These have the ball ends, which makes it easy to get into certain areas, especially with installing the motors. I don't know if these ends, these ends don't spin, guys. I thought they might. This is good to have, one of these. You can pick up. It makes it a little bit easier. These are good for holding the underside here. Okay, when you're tightening up the top here, you can hold it with one of these on your main blades, and it's got quite a few on here. It's good to use with the helicopters along with the Nitro cars too. This is one of my big essentials. I do a lot of oiling. This is a synthetic oil, multi-purpose. It's a lightweight. It's made by Label. This is the Label 108 oil. It's light, multi-purpose, and it's plastic compatible. It comes with a needle. You can get other little needles, and you can get into all the bearings on the T-Rex helicopters. This is just a couple of little Allens in there that came with the kits. I like this. I have two sets of these, one in my field box and one I keep here on a table. These are made by Dynamite. Come with a nice little package. These red tips do spin. I use these to build Nitro cars, and they're very durable and they're very cheap. They only cost around maybe $15 for a set of them. Definitely an essential to have on hand. Pitch gauge, guys. This is a nice pitch gauge by Align. It's got a nice twist, anodized, and it's got a little grip on there too, which makes it easy. It's a little grooved on there for turning it. Very smooth, very nice. I think these are around $20. Very nice, accurate. I use these guys now. I mean, if you want to buy from a different company, these are just hook and loop fasteners of Velcro. These are Align. Come 5 in a pack. You can cut these up, and you can cut them into different sizes. I use those on the helicopters. I don't use zip ties anymore, just for the fact that these come apart and go back together. The zip ties, you have to cut them off. You got to be careful with zip ties, because zip ties like to cut into the soft rubber on these servos. On all these wires here, they can cut in if you squeeze them too tight, the zip ties. So I use these on all of the wires. Okay. And guys, that's just some of the essential things to have on hand, you know, for taking care of a helicopter, maintenance and that, and building one. Like I said, once again with these, you know, I've had friends that have had wires get cut with zip ties. People squeeze the zip ties too tight. The zip ties can rub back and forth. A lot of the wires that go to the gyro and the servos are very soft, and they can be cut very easily. So anyways, I just wanted to share this with you guys and give you some ideas out there, and I thank you for watching.